What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Gibby Gets It channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going through the things that I've done to reach 420 wheel horsepower in my Vortex supercharged New Edge Mustang. Alright, so while I'm on my way to the spot, I want to mention the reason why I'm only limiting this to 420 to 450 or only 420 horsepower is because these internals in these two valve cars, they really won't hold up because they are powdered rods. Usually the rods are the ones that go first, but then pistons next, but usually rods. Yeah, always make sure whenever you get one of these cars, we're spinning, but whenever you get one of these cars, make sure you get rods. H-beams are what I'm going for, but make sure you get rods and pistons, most likely. Like, that's what I'm doing. So just build your internals and you'll have yourself a nasty two valve. All right, while we're at it, you guys haven't seen a pole in this car, so let's go 30 roll. Alrighty guys, so the way I got to 420 horsepower was mainly that right there, that Vortex supercharger. This is a Vortex V1 S trim with the aftercooler. I have other sporting mods, just like the BBK intake plenum, which that's just a little better airflow. And then also a really major needed thing with these is that oil cooler. So if you get the oil cooler, it is a lot better on these motors. Another thing that you're going to want to do is your injectors. Right now I'm at 43 pound injectors, and that's probably about where you want to be if you want to get to around, I want to say 550 to 600. Okay, so another thing that you're really going to want, you're going to want some better coils along with a step holder plug. So with a step holder plug, it's just not causing piston detonation, so you won't just destroy your piston. Say you put in a stock plug. And also gapping, you've got to gap your plugs. I'm pretty sure I have these gapped for 30 thousandths, 25 to 30 thousandths. But right now they're working amazing. I have NGK TR6 plugs in there, and I think that's what I'm probably going to use even when I build it. I've started ordering parts, so you guys are going to have some content to watch. I got some internals, and then also, what's the other thing? Oh yeah, oil pump gears. So that's just things I've gotten so far. There's going to be a lot more to come. It's going to be super expensive. I'm doing my timing, doing everything so this car can handle around 600 safely, 600 to the wheel. Another thing that you're going to want to do with these cars is your rear end gear. Since this one's supercharged, I have a 373. If I had a 410, say, in this car, I have a feeling it would just boil the tires off. You wouldn't be able to hook. But luckily, with the 373s and along with the Nitto NT55s, amazing. It hooks amazingly. My buddies, they're amazed of how it hooks. And even on tread like that, I'm still hooking amazingly. So that is definitely going to be the next tire. Once that thing goes, I'm going to get one exactly like it. Now, the last and final thing that you're really going to want is a clutch. Right now I have a McLeod Pro Street clutch in this, rated for around 550 horse, so that's probably around where I'm going to be at, 550, 600 wheel. And then also I've got an aluminum drive shaft, also a lightweight flywheel, so that means less horsepower loss through the I'm having a brain fog. What is it called? Drivetrain. Don't know why I forgot that. But that's about it on how to make your New Edge Mustang reach 420 wheel horsepower. And you know, these cars are amazing. Now don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and stay tuned for everything else to come with Betty White here. Have a nice day, y'all.